Jive, I'm Jeff from 2Hex Garage. Well, I'm back at Jimmy's shop, and as you saw in a previous video, we did get his T-bucket fired up with the mild stock blown 460 on it. Sounds really wicked. Can't wait to see more of that. But the engine stand that we're working on for a run stand is almost complete. So the next step we're going to do is we're going to take the 521 cubic inch big block Ford that we built for the 1968 Thunderbird, and we're actually going to place it on that run stand to get the legs mounted up and get stuff wired up so we can get it fired up soon. I did get the break-in oil in, went and got a battery, a bunch of other stuff, and waiting on the fan. But you know what, guys? With that, let's just go ahead and get working on this so we can start making some noise, hopefully here pretty soon. Probably not today, probably in the next week, but you know what? It's going to be progress. See ya. Well, that's a wrap for today. As you can see, what we did today is we placed the 521 cubic inch big block Ford stroker on the engine run stand. It was a lot more involved to actually do that than initially thought. It's extremely heavy, working in some tight quarters and just getting it leveled up. But you know what? We got it. I'm happy that it's on here. Starting to do some odds and ends. I did add the oil to this. I'm using Driven racing oil. It's their BR40 conventional 10W40 break-in motor oil. I contacted Driven, told them my tolerances on the mains and the rods. They said, hey, it's probably what you should go with. Sent it to me. 8 quarts. I've got the Canton, the big oil pan in the front, and I am using a Wix cotton element filter, so I'm going to be pretty good with that. Jimmy's working on actually adding the battery to this. I dropped that off today. Got one of the headers on. One of my engine mounts on the other side is kind of incorrect. Got to modify some or find the right one, but they're extremely hard to find. So yeah, with that, really waiting on the fan. It's probably at my house right now. A couple other items with this. Wire some stuff up. We got to tighten up the flywheel bolts on the back. And yeah, it's gonna be firing up pretty soon. So we did make a lot of progress today. Pretty happy with that. And you know, with that, guys, I'm gonna be at Micah's tomorrow for a little bit working on the Thunderbird, working more on removing that Ohio crust. So yeah, with that, we're gonna do just a little bit more work, and I'll see you tomorrow. See ya.